Hi guys, today we are filming here on a set and we have a Hollyland kit and it's making problems. If the guys are going out and coming back, it's disconnecting, or if you want to pair a new kit, how you can do that. Everything about that topic I'm going to be explaining. And if you do it in the right way, you will get rid of all the problems happening with your Hollyland kit. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have the master with you guys and all the headsets should be off. So let me get all now. So these are all the headsets and I have made sure that all of them are off and master is off as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it on, master, and then I'm gonna take the first one from there and I will turn this on as well. Before we jump into that, I wanna say one more thing, like make sure that all of the headsets are on the right firmware, the exact same firmware, and they should be on the latest firmware just to avoid any problems on set. And then we can jump into the pairing. Now, how do we go to the pairing mode? So to go to the pairing mode, if you come on your master or any of your headsets, you will see that you have A and B written on that. So you can press on either A or B and make sure that then you press all of them on the same way as well. So I will long press A. You can see it started blinking. This means that it's in pairing mode. Now I will go on my slave, and I will press on A again. I should remember that if I pressed A here, I will press A here as well. So I will long press this as well, and it should go to pairing mode. Okay, it is green blinking now. I will put it on, and it should say pairing successful. Okay, this is being paired now, and when it's paired, you can see it's a constant red or green light. If the color is different, but its static color is staying, that means it's paired and it's working. So now I can open it, I can tap on this and listen it, and I know that it's working. So this one is done. The next thing which you need to make sure is that never turn them off once the pairing is done, because when I turn it on and I went into the pairing mode, it started with number 1 now. And you can have 8, maximum 8 on the same time. So 1 master and 7 more headsets. So I will put it back and I will keep it on. I'm gonna take the second one now. I will turn it on. It's on now. You can see it's not paired now. So I will do A again on this and I will press A on here as well. Long press. And then both of them should be in the blinking mode. Now both of these are blinking and they are in pairing mode. I will wait till they are paired. Okay, this is paired now, you can see that. And if you will confuse the green and red light, it's just because of the noise cancellation button at the back of the mic. So if I will disable it, it will go red. You can see it's red now. So I'm done with 2. I'm gonna do the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. And I will always keep the paired ones on. I should not turn them off. So I'm gonna do all of them quickly. Okay, this is the 3rd one. I'll long press till it starts blinking. So this is in pairing mode now, and it's paired. Now I'm done with pairing all of these, and in case you have any more questions or any problems with your Hollyland kit, just put those in comments and I'll make sure I'll reply to your problems. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.